Keep your walkways clear with Foldaway baby gate storage solutions that stow flush with door frames. Choose a retractable fabric gate when space is at a premium because it rolls neatly into a slim casing that mounts to the door frame and releases smoothly with one hand. Look for stainless steel springs with damped retraction to avoid slamming and test the casing alignment so the fabric tracks straight. A hinged gate that folds into a door jamb recess gives a rigid barrier without protrusion, but it requires cutting a shallow pocket in the frame for the folded panels to sit flush. So measure reveal depth and hinge swing accurately and seal the recess to prevent splinters. Consider a removable tension gate that comes with a discrete wall bracket for storage so you can unclip the gate and hang it when not in use. Pick models with rubberized pads to protect paint and mark mounting points with painter tape before installation. For owners with furniture that doubles as storage, an underbench gate storage bag designed to fit beneath a hall bench or inside a storage ottoman keeps the gate out of sight and off floors while staying accessible. Choose a waterproof fabric and flat folding design to maximize space. A retractable wall-mounted gate roller offers a compact alternative where the gate rolls into a small drum mounted near the door, but you must reinforce the mounting surface with backing plates if the wall is hollow. For every option, measure twice and account for door swing and baseboard offsets, and keep operating mechanisms clean and lubricated annually to maintain smooth action. The three common problems are misaligned retraction, bulky folded profiles, and difficult seasonal removal. If the retractable does not wind evenly, the fabric will bunch and jam, so realign the casing by loosening end caps, pulling the fabric taut, and retightening while centering the roll. Bulky folded profiles that protrude into traffic happen when the jamb recess is too shallow, so either deepen the recess by chipping out an extra 1/4 inch or choose a slimmer panel design that nests flat. Seasonal removal becomes tedious when storage is ad hoc. So, standardize on one storage place and use the included wall bracket or a labeled under-bench bag so the gate is easy to hang or slide back in and you do not spend time hunting components. We run bighomeprojects.com, and our site helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for installation of concealed folding gates and other baby-proofing jobs. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where people share installation tips and practical photos.